Hello and welcome to the Open Mic Broadcast Network television version. I am Mike Prince, the founder of the Open Mic Broadcast Network, which is located in Prairie View, Texas. I am simply one to introduce the Open Mic Broadcast Network to those who are not familiar with it so you can get a better concept of who we are and what we try to do. The birth of this network came in 2002 simply as an outreach tool for the community to bring them aware of community news and happenings going on, town hall meetings, even sermons from local churches, church announcements, and things of that nature. In 2009, we saw an opportunity to broaden our service for the community, and we started broadcasting athletic events. Our first broadcast was in August of 2009 for the Waller Bulldogs. Since then, we are now covering the Waller Bulldogs, the Hempstead Bobcats, the Royal Falcons, and the Prairie View A&M University's baseball program, as well as their softball program. What we are trying to do is provide quality radio broadcasts, audio broadcasts, podcasts, and however you would like to identify it for our community, and we're doing this at no charge. However, we do have monthly expenses that come up, and we average spending about $525 a month. Bottom line is that this video is being made for an outreach purpose, and maybe you guys would like to help us with achieving our $6,300 budget for the 2013 campaign. We have set up 3 ways of giving. We have what we call the community campaign, which is a $5 donation. We have the booster campaign, which is a $24 donation, and then we have the sponsor donation, which is $100. We are asking those who can and will make your donation today. This video is connected to a GoFundMe account. More than happy to make the donation. You might not have $24. You might not have the $5. It could be $1, $2. You might want to give more than $100. We're open to whatever it is. Our staff is strictly volunteer. All the funding goes toward our airtime. It goes toward our travel expense. It goes towards equipment, and it goes towards the production of our community broadcast. We're broadcasting over 150 events a year. Little League Baseball, high school athletics. We provide collegiate athletics. We do community parades. We do Christmas parade, a 4th of July parade. We cover it all. Boys and girls basketball, boys and girls soccer, high school softball, collegiate softball. We are just simply asking those who are listening to this video, looking at it, if it is laid upon your heart, that you would make a donation of any amount to help us further our cause for the 2013 campaign. You can visit our website at www.ktorradio.com and see all the things that are going on through our network. You can follow us on Twitter at OMBN_radio. You can even like our Facebook page at Open Mic Broadcast Network. My name is Mike Prince. I want to thank you all so much in advance for helping us reach our 2013 campaign. May God bless you and may He keep you, and we'll see you on the other side.